Hi and welcome to my first podcast. I'm Suchita, as you may know, and since it's my first podcast, I want to keep things lighter and get familiar with it. I'll do better in second one. But I'm just gonna talk about 10 things that makes me happy, and I also want you to think about 10 things that makes you happy because it's nice for us. And I'm gonna read from here. Okay. So first thing first. I love animals. I love any type of animals. It doesn't matter what type of animal it is. If it's an animal, I love it. Stray or pet. As you can see from these pictures, I love any type of animal. And I just, even if it's a stray, it will come to me and I'll pet it. I'll pet it no matter how much dirty it is or how much you think it's has. It might have disease. It might, but I'm gonna touch it, man. You can wash your hands, but you cannot wash away the love. It's okay. They're cute. I love them. I pet them and they're happy. I'm happy. Good for both of us. Second things, I love practical classes. Now you might ask, why do I love practical classes? It's everything I like and I get attendance for it. It's like 2 times better than anything else. That's why it's on the second. I get to make vlogs. I love talking. I love writing. I get number for it. Awesome. And you have to talk. I love talking. As you might know, I just love talking. I'll just keep on talking. Not everybody listen, but I am getting number for talking right now. And it's best for me. So I love practical classes and practical schools. It's just everything I want. I get number for it. I get attendance for it, and it's best for me. Second, it's third, right? Third, I love classical literature. I have wasted 3 years of my life reading literature, studying literature. I won't say it's wasted, most of 50% wasted, 50% I know what I like now, and I love classical literature. It's refined, it's very deep, it speaks to me philosophical and honestly a lot type of writing I would read. No offense to new literature, it's good, but I like my Withering Waves better than I like Six of Crows or anything. You understand me? I love philosophical literature especially, or honestly just day-to-day life literature or authors like L.M. Alcott. I just love her, especially Little Women. I loved it. The language, the scene, the surrounding, and the writing style, hyperbolic and all. I loved it. I love classical literature. Now, fourth thing I love late night drives with friends, especially with friends. Now, it doesn't matter if we're stuck in a traffic. It matters to everybody else who's sitting with me, but it doesn't matter to me. Why? Because I just love it. As much as somebody else is in stress beside me at a late night drive, I love it. I am having the time of my life. I make them even more stressed. Why? Because why not? As you can see from this, we were stuck in a traffic and we left our hostel at like 4 o'clock and we were in traffic till 8 o'clock stuck in a auto, and I loved it. Why did I love it? Because why not? We're moving, we put on our music and I was having the time of my life. Maybe my friend was not, but I was having the time of my life because it was night. There were night lights, which brings me to my fifth point. I love night lights. Now it may be because I come from somewhere where there's no light, like nightlife. Okay, there's nothing. As soon as it's dark, it's dark. No street light, no like showroom lights or anything. There's no high buildings that has lights. There's nothing. If you see a light high up in the sky at night, it's a problem. So I love night lights. I don't care what type of night light it is. I'll go. Like, it's as fascinating to me as stars are, and I just love night lights. It's a very basic and a very childish concept, but I love it. I even love the lights that are coming from the other hostel. Why? Because I love it. It means there are other people. From where I'm from, there's no other people. You just see dark mountains or forests. So I love night lights. Sixth, I'm a girl. I'm just a girl. Okay, so I love flowy dresses. Dresses that flows all around you. This very pretty, as you can see from this video. I love them. It's like, as my inner child is very happy with the flowy dress, cause why not? Why not? I used to be a tomboy, but now I can wear flowy dresses, so I'm very happy. Like, yeah, it's flowy. It flows around me like flowers. Seventh, I love talking. The point is just talking. It might be obvious at this point, but I love talking. And I might not able to finish all my three things that I love because I talk a lot. Other people are worried that 3 minutes is too long. I am worried that 3 minutes is too short. What am I going to talk about? And the 3 minutes is done. So these were 7 things that I love instead of 10 things. Maybe in the next podcast I'll talk about it. Bye bye.